acting President Kembo Mohadi has openly warned that Zimbabwe's security institutions are not fully united, calling for urgent coordination between the army, intelligence services, and other security arms to safeguard national stability. Sarapina mashoko buda pangwa nitagwa na Mohadi, watuona kuti Mohadi has warned security organs that they are not fully united. Ashapangwa in calling for the army and the CIO alignment. Don't subscribe or like on the bell like team now. Mohadi made the remarks in Harare during a courtesy call by newly appointed Zimbabwe National Army Commander Asha Walter Tafmane, where he stressed that unity of purpose among security departments was critical to peace, stability, and national development. Speaking after the meeting, Lieutenant General Tafmane said the acting president placed strong emphasis on improved cooperation among all security agencies, including the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, the Zimbabwe Republic Police, the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services, and the Central Intelligence Organization. Mohadi's remarks amounted to a rare acknowledgement from the highest level of government that the country's security organs are not fully united, particularly at a time when key leadership positions within the defense establishment have recently changed hands. The acting president emphasized coordination and cooperation among commanders of the security forces, the Army, Air Force, Police, Prisons, Prison Services, and the Central Intelligence Organization. Lieutenant General Tafmane said, "That was the main emphasis. Since I am new, and since the Commander Defense Forces is also new in his job, coordination is very important so that we secure the stability of the country, so that the people of Zimbabwe can sleep well while we are safeguarding them." Tafmane said the meeting formed part of established military tradition where newly appointed commanders pay courtesy calls on appointing authorities and senior leadership including President, Vice Presidents, the Minister of Defense, and the Secretary for Defense. He said the discussions focused on expectations surrounding his new role and the urgent need for close alignment among commanders, a signal that unity within the security sector can no longer be assumed but must be actively built. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino yatiri kuona kuti aiwa vakuru ava vari kuuya vachiadmita kuti aiwa hapana coordination, hapana alignment panguva iroyi between masecurity organs pamwe chete aiwa nemaCIO. Pinda comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.